Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. This 1981 Trans Am is a genuine Y84 Special Bandit Edition. And it's verified with the original build sheet. It's loaded with options. It was restored by Trans Am Specialties, and it's got a little secret under the hood. They got rid of that little 4.9 V8 motor, and it's got a built 7.5 liter 455 performance engine under the hood. This thing's awesome, and it's actually going to be very affordable. So go to volocars.com. That's where you'll get the pricing, the specs, photos, top to bottom of this car. And you'll see there's a few hundred other collector cars all for sale on there as well. So visit volocars.com. Right now, why don't you join me? We'll go for a spin, and we'll see if we can keep the Smokies off our trail. Yeah, completely restored. Trans Am Specialties, I believe, is down in Florida. I do have some paperwork on that in the office. And that's what they do, are Trans Ams. This thing is slick. It's a factory code 19 Starlight black car, and the paint is polished beautifully. It's shiny, the body's straight. There's no rust down here. They very smart. They put the mud flaps there so it's not all nicked up and chipped up. And I was just noticing the spoilers and scoops and fender flares and scoop on the hood and the splitter exhaust tips. This thing looks like it's going a million miles an hour just sitting here. But anyway, everything fits nice and square. Tail light's not cracked. The rubber bumpers front and back are real nice. Glass is nice and clear. It's got the defroster lines in there. Blacked out trim. I think that was part of the Bandit. The factory spot welds are still on both wheel well lips. The aluminum wheels with the gold, they're restored beautifully. New center caps. That's part of the Bandit Edition. So is all of this striping and the birds. That's all part of that Bandit Special Edition. It has power antenna. BF Goodrich tires look like they're still like new. And like I was saying, the rubber bumpers front and back, that's all in excellent shape. Pretty certain I do have the engine specs. I'll be listing that information on the website. Wait till I fire this thing up. It is a performance-built 455. It's got Edelbrock intake, a big dual-feed Holley carb, HEI distributor with an MSD box. Still has its factory air conditioning, and I see a lot of new components, so that's been gone through. Upgraded with an aluminum radiator, and still has the shroud, new clutch fan, overflow bottle. Of course, it has power steering, power brakes, and that's disc brakes at all four corners. Underneath, the car is very clean. It's got a nice custom exhaust system with polished stainless steel mufflers. The interior is really excellent. We'll get back to that in a second. Trunk is really clean. I just had the mat out of here. It's all nice, clean metal. The jack is mounted up here where it's supposed to be, and space saver spare. It has the Fisher T-top bags, trunk light. Trunk lid is glossy. The Jambs are original. I mean, they're fine, but they're dull. They're not shiny like the rest of the car. And there's also a car cover I'll be throwing back in there. The deluxe Camel Interior is in really nice shape. The upholstery is excellent. The cushions must be new because it's all nice and new. Door panels, armrest, the door handle, bezels, the whole dash, the machine turned bezel, and it's got the rally gauges, has a tilt formula wheel. It's all in mint condition. The headliner, especially T-top cars, the headliners fall down and they flap with the breeze. Headliner's mint. All the interior lights, dome light works. Dash pad's not cracked. Center console's excellent. Shifter bezel's new. And this has power windows, power locks. Has the factory AM/FM cassette stereo. That was a big deal back in the day. So this car is pretty well equipped. I can't really think of anything it does not have. It does not have cruise control, but it's got just about everything else. You'll like this. Sounds like it has a high torque starter. Tachometer's working. Not warmed up yet. It has a great sounding lopey idle with the cam they put in there. So it's not warmed up yet. Just give it a few minutes and it'll sit and idle and drive just fine. There's no issues with that. It's funny, it still says turbo 4.9, but obviously that's not a turbo 4.9 under the hood of this car. So there you have it, a professionally restored, genuine Bandit car, documented, full of options. You got a secret weapon under the hood, and this thing's really going to be priced affordably. By the time you watch this, it could be gone, but go to volocars.com to check it out. And while you're there, plenty of ways to contact us. I have a whole staff of people that can help answer questions about the car, shipping, financing, anything about the purchase process. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's the third one we've done this morning. It's not even 10 o'clock yet. That's the best way to see them first as they come out. So thanks for watching.